Hello, and welcome to the How It Works series from Servers.com. Today we'll be showing you how to order a Servers.com Kubernetes cluster. First of all, log into the customer portal and navigate to Kubernetes in the left-hand menu. On the Kubernetes clusters page, click the Create button. Select a location, and after that you will be able to configure your cluster. Choose a version in accordance with your needs. We recommend using the latest stable version. Next, go to the Nodes field, click Add Node, and select the dedicated servers that will be used as Kubernetes worker nodes. You will be able to adjust the configuration of a server. Pay attention to the OpenEBS option. If enabled, an OpenEBS storage will be set up on this node. When you are done, click Add. By default, the cluster master nodes are available only from the private network. You can make it accessible from the internet by enabling public access to master nodes in the Options section. Then give the cluster a name. And finally, specify a convenient time to perform the Kubernetes version upgrades in the Maintenance Frequency field of Upgrade Settings section. On the last step, click Order button to create your order. In the cart that opens, click the Buy Now button and confirm the payment. And that's it! If you have any questions or queries, please get in touch with our support team. And don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos in the How It Works series from Servers.com. Thanks for watching.